this is Holly with Slay Math. I'm going to be doing a trick to fill out the unit circle. So watch me riz this up. Cue the applause. Grab your seats, dogs. It's going to be fun. Okay, this is a trick to fill out the unit circle, which you will need all of the semester for TRIG. Now, the first thing we're going to do is the degrees. We're going to do that in blue. So you start off at 0 degrees, and we go counterclockwise, and each one of these are 30, and each one of these small ones are 15. And the big one is 30 again. So you're going to add 30, then 15, then 15, then 30. So you go all the way around for that. I'm going to do this first quadrant, and then we'll fill out the rest. To get the radians, we put, radians is the degree times pi over 180. So the pi is going to be in the answer. So we do the degree over 180 in a fraction form. So for the first one, I'm going to put 30 fraction key 180. Get 1/6, so that means pi over 6. 45 over 180 is pi over 4. 60 over 180 is pi over 3. And 90 over 180 is pi over 2. Now, I was supposed to do the radians in purple. Oh, well, flipping these two. Now, the coordinate. Coordinate starts off at is this. When I have a coordinate plane, and I have 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, the whole unit circle is in this tiny, tiny, tiny part of the unit circle, all within 1 unit. So this right here is 1, 0, and this is 0, 1. Remember, we're going to fill out the rest after we get this first part. Now, this is the hand trick part. This quadrant, the number is going to be under the square root over 2. And the number from my hand goes in there. So this is the first quadrant. Let me get back. This is the first quadrant. This is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. So when I bend down the first 30 degrees, I'm in 30 degrees, 45 and 60. 30, 45, and 60. So if I bend down the 30 degrees, I have 3 first and 1 second. So the square root of 3 over 2, and the square root of 1 is 1, so we take that off, over 2. Now, the 45 degrees, I bend down the 45 degree finger. I have 2 and 2. The 60 degree, I bend the 60 degree finger. I have 1 first, 3 second, so we already know that the square root of 1 is 1, square root of 3 over 2. So that's that first quadrant from this little thing, and this is the hand number, according to what finger you bend down. 30, 45, 60. So when you get that finished, well, let's go ahead and finish the degrees. So the degrees is, after I add 90, I add 30 more, add 15, add 15, add 30. This is always 180 degrees because it's a straight line. Still the same concept. Add 30 to 10, add 15, add 15, add 30, add 30, add 15, add 15, and add 30. So those are all the degrees. Now to get the radians, we put this over 180. So this is going to be 2 pi over 3 because we get 2/3. And I'm going to show you when we get 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. And then this is just going to be pi because it's 180 over 180. Now, when you get to 210 over 180, I put in 210 ABC 180. And I get the mixed number, 1 1/6. Second ABC gives me 7/6. So the pi goes on top. So this is 7 pi over 6. So that's how we go all the way around. 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, and 11 pi over 6. And this is 2 pi, and this is 0. So it went all the way around is 2 pi. It's 360 over 180 is 2. Now, notice that these are all the 6s, these are all the 3s, and the middle numbers are all the 4s on the bottom. So that will help you. Now, to get the other coordinates, we're going to take this coordinate right here, and we're going to put it on the ones closest to the x-axis. I'm struggling on that one. So we're going to put this coordinate in blue on all these on the blue, closest to the x-axis. Square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Then I'm going to do the ones closest to the y-axis with this one. So the ones close to the y-axis are 1/2 square root of 3 over 2, 1/2 square root of 3 over 2, and 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. And all the middle are this middle coordinate, square root of 2 over 2. 2 over 2. Almost done. Now, this is 0, 1, and this is 0, -1. I think that was all it. So that's filling out the unit circle, which you do. I have blank circles if you need to go try it, but that's the quick and easy way. We will use that all semester for the TRIG class.